We'll guide you through how to add emoji in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to make their videos more engaging, expressive, and fun by adding emojis. Emojis help emphasize reactions, highlight moments, or add personality to content. Beginners especially look for simple ways to import and position emoji overlays correctly in Premiere Pro for social media or creative edits. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Go to emoji.𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀.𝗂. Choose the emoji you want to add to Premiere Pro based on your needs. Once you have selected the emoji, click the download button to download the emoji file to your computer so it can be used later in your project. After downloading the emoji, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer to start the editing process. Click New Project to create a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to add emoji in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. Then choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This clip will serve as the main footage where the emoji will be added. After the clip is placed on the timeline, click File from the top menu to import the emoji file you downloaded earlier. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Select the emoji file on your computer, then click Open to import it into the project panel. Once the emoji has been successfully imported, drag the emoji from the project panel onto the timeline and place it above your video clip so it appears as an overlay. This ensures the emoji will be visible on top of your footage. After placing the emoji on the timeline, adjust the size and position of the emoji directly in the program monitor according to your needs. Resize it and move it to the desired position until it fits well within your video composition and looks visually balanced.